Hi everybody, so how to cut a bell pepper the easiest way. I find the approach to be best if you cut from top to bottom, making sure the white bits are already cut out while you're making the slices. So let's start right now. And we go here, and then just check here, alright. Making sure the white stuff is just as little as possible. And then you go slowly up. And yeah. Alright, so that was the slow way. I'm sure you can do it a bit faster as well. I've seen this approach from Gordon Ramsay and I found this actually pretty cool. And then you can just do the julienne, the long slices like that, making sure you're not cutting your fingers. And yeah, you go faster as you feel more comfortable. And there you have it. That's how I slice my bell pepper.